Hi everyone, and we back again with 5 minute Revit. Today we will see a graphic display hierarchy in a Revit. In this video we'll start with object style. For sure there is 9 graphic override display. For example, if we have our project set from object style and for example, we want to override the object style, then we can go to visibility, graphic, override, projection, and cut lines. Or, for example, if we want to override the boat, we can go to visibility, graphic, override, host layers for some system families like walls, floors. And if we want to override this also, we can override it with if you use the phasing in our project, we can have like the phasing graphic override. And for today, we will stay with object style. For this, I can go to view like a floor plan, for example. Now I have my floor plan and I go for the object style from Manage tab. Then I go to Object Style. Then I have this dialog box. This dialog box, it's like the visibility graphic override. It's quite similar, but here if we make the setup for white or line color or line pattern, it will be for the whole project. If we do it, for example, for the visibility graphic, it will be only for specific view. Like for example, we can go to the wall to explore how it's work the object style. Now, if I want to change, for example, the projection line, I can here choose, for example, what projection line I can choose for the walls. For example, I can stay with one here. And for the cut line, I can go for 4 here. And for the line color, for example, I can click and choose, for example, the color that I want for the color line. And if I click on apply, you see here that my wall is now the line for my wall, they are now in blue. Just I click OK just to make a little bit a zoom like that. Now I can, for example, change also the hatch pattern from the object style by applying material from object style, or I can, for example, uh, change the line like the line pattern for the walls like from the object style. But at level in view control bar, and I can come up again to manage object style, and I go to wall. I can click on W and I go directly to the wall. And now you see I have changed the color to blue. I can change the line pattern if I want. I click like here and change like center, for example, just to see how it's work. Now you see I have the line pattern now the center. I can back again to like solid line here and apply. Now it's back to a solid line. If I back to my wall, I can go also here in the material, and in the material I can, for example, choose the material for the wall. For example, if I want to put, for example, let's see, I go for woods, like for just example, like to see how it's work. Now you see, I choose my material, and in a graphic we have like two important parameters like surface pattern and the cut pattern. Like if I apply this material, I will have this hatch pattern in my wall here. Like I do OK. Now I apply. Now you see the hatch pattern and also the color for the material. If I go back here to the wall, wood flooring, and I go back here, for example, use render appearance. I don't want to use a render appearance. I can stick with what I have already. And I can click here and I can go to choose another, like wood finish, for example, just to see how it's work, and apply and apply. Now you see. I hope that video helped you to now to understand the object style.